Welcome to Chuck's Bricks. Time to do another update on my remodel of my Lego City. This is the back of the Lego City. I'm going to have to get up and show you what I have done. So let me get out of my chair and move into the city. There's the city as it's growing. Let's take a look down the street here. In the back there's still a lot of work to be done. But what have I done so far? I got my temporary townhouse space filler in here. Someday I'll move more stuff there. And then I try to get around this side. You can see the jazz club. I'll get better look when I get to the other side of the table. This block here is pretty much as it was in the past. This is one block I rebuilt as is. But let's start on the end here and let's look down this street. Nice long street here. I gotta start out on this end. I got my four non-Lego buildings. I got my art museum. I still got the dinosaur on top of the art museum. He hasn't gone anywhere. I got my greenhouse. Come around this side. I got an aquarium. And I remember it says Queen Victoria, but I've seen other names, so I don't know exactly what it's called. But those are the four non-Lego modulars. The main block of my city here is all Lego modulars. So let me get around here. And let's try to zoom in a little. Start on the end here. I have the Boutique Hotel with a Parisian Cafe. I like the space between the two of the buildings. The buildings butt against each other, but because they both have a step up to a second floor balcony, it really gives a nice space between them. And that way the windows on the back of the hotel are nice spaced out. Then I go into my town center. I like how the town center comes off the end of the street. The street kind of drives into the fountain and everything. And then I get into the bookshop. I always put on my bookshop, I got some extra books, so I got it. Let me zoom in and step out. I got a Harry Potter set with some books there. Okay, let's zoom back out. And then I got my gas station. And I show it from the other side. I go into here is my townhouse. I just made a space filler. Then there is the house that goes with the book house. Then I have the Park Street townhouse here, and I got my little pink modular next to it. I gotta put that next to it because the back of this townhouse is open back and I really don't have room to put another back, so I just added another building to fill in the back of it. And I gotta zoom way back out to get, ooh, that's in. I need to go out because I got my drop house here, which I always keep saying I want to take the back off and just make a nice house, and a little cozy house and Emmett's house next to it. But back to my central block, which is the same block I've had in the past. Try to get over here and move down a little. I still got my downtown mall I made, and next to it is a little Friends Art Museum, which I've added onto the back to make it fully backed. And then I do have my police station, and I can get into my diner here. This diner was a friend's diner, which again I added back, so basically just the front I kept. And then we got another little diner there on the end, which is a non-Lego diner. And let's try to go around here. There's my other diner. It's kind of the only building in this section right now. And I gotta grow this area because if I get around here, this is going to be my hospital, fire, and police. I still got my little pocket park there. Gotta keep that pocket park. And eventually, on the back wall here, which is all open, that's all going to be residential. I start a little bit on my park and my beach and my waterfront. That's going to be some more work. And along here, some more waterfront that I'm going to have, so I can put my police boat, fire boat, and everything in. But that is the city as is right now. So next Friday, I should do another update. So please like and subscribe, and you can see more updates next week on my updated Mr. Chuck's Neighborhood, my Lego City, and a little bit non-Lego also. Thank you. Until we build again.